Hello everyone, and welcome to the Speculative Wildlife Research Center. Krypto the Superdog. Remember when superheroes had pets and crazy supporting casts? Well, that made a comeback, and now we're taking a good look at the spec evo of this good boy. So first of all, consider this video a companion to our Superman episode. Since Superman and Krypto share their planet of origin and superpowers, we can assume this result from the same basic biology, like would happen with humans and dogs, making this episode much more focused on the design. While also showing the strong anatomy that evolved in Kryptonians as a result of their planet's conditions, this species, having evolved convergently with wolves and dogs from our world, would be a medium-sized pack predator. They too are six-limbed, with their most anterior pair of limbs being adapted into the extensions for their light-catching surface. What distinguishes them most from Kryptonians is their much stronger neck and head, since they hunt by grabbing prey with their very strong and much longer mandibles. Their sensing organs, meanwhile, should be directed forwards to more precisely detect and follow the position of their prey, convergent with the forward-facing eyes that are so notorious in Earth predators. Their general anatomy is also much more streamlined, thus helping them move faster as they chase after prey. The individual shown here, while presenting the characteristics of its ancestors, has also been altered due to domestication, and while the genes of these alien beings are unlike those of animals from Earth, it's still probable domestication would entail a certain degree of neoteny, since this process would favor individuals that display less aggression and fear, and thus would reduce the expression of genes related to these factors, which could reasonably be tied to traits associated with sexual maturity. Meaning, when aggressiveness goes out the door, neoteny comes through the window. With all that being considered, here's our Spec Evo redesign of Krypto. It was fun working on this one as a quickie before the new Superman movie is out, so I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, big thanks to anyone who wanted to see Krypto on the channel, and thanks too to our patrons and channel members for their support. Please remember to join in if you wanna support the channel, or you can also let me know in the comments what other super pets you'd like to see explored in our style. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time on the Speculative Wildlife Research Center. And remember, if you were an active patron during this month, that technically means you invested on Krypto. Bye!